Let's just see if more students are joining, and then we are going to begin in 1 minute.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, students. Good morning. Till then, let me mark your attendance. Okay, everybody open up your book to page number 57. Who is going to read out? Tell me. Who will read this chapter? Nandita, can we start with you? Yes, open up page number 57. Okay. Just try to read from the beginning. What is the chapter name? What is chapter number?
Lesson 5, the law class.
Okay. So how do we say lesson 5 in French? Lesson 5 is leçon 5. What do you say?
Lesson.
Leçon 5. Write it down, beta. You have to write down the translation and the pronunciation also. What is number 5 called in French? What is number 5 called in French? 5. So it becomes leçon 5. Then after leçon 5, what is the name of the chapter?
And Dollar class.
Dans la classe. What does dans la classe mean? What do you mean by dans la classe, beta? Nobody knows the meaning of dans la classe. What is la classe?
Ma'am, may I tell?
Yes, of course, anyone can tell. And all of you, please open your cameras, children.
The class.
In the class. Very good. Dans means inside. If I want to say in the house, dans la maison. If I want to say in the room, dans la chambre. If I want to say in the car, dans la voiture. Dans means inside.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So here, let's study what is going to happen inside the class, dans la classe. And also one more thing, when you speak it out, many times I have seen students making mistake by saying dans la classe. It's not dans. We always have to keep consonants silent that lie in the end. Okay. So the correct pronunciation is what, Nandita?
Ma'am, dans la classe.
Very nice. It's dans la classe. Now, who is going to read out dialogue 1? Tell me.
Me.
Okay, read it out. Sarthak, read it out.
Dialogue 1. Les professeurs. Bonjour. Les élèves. Bonjour, messieurs.
Okay, beta, wait. Just
Les
wait.
professeurs.
You are saying the professor. Okay, before professor, we have this article le. You are calling it out le. And before élève, we have this article les. You are calling it out the same, le. So what is the difference?
First one in the first dialogue it should be le professeur and the second it should be les élèves.
Very nice. Very good. Beta, when we speak out la, la and le, it has to be distinguished by the pronunciation only. Now, in both the cases, if you call les professeurs and les élèves, so what it becomes? We will write down, suppose if you are dictating this thing to somebody. So what will the person think? That you are calling out les and professeur in its plural form. Okay? Isn't it, Sarthak? Now, if I have to see, everybody look up into the chat box. If I have to read out, this one, if I have to read out this one, what will the pronunciation be? Les professeurs.
Les professeurs.
Les professeurs, right? And you are pronouncing this one also les professeurs. So what is the correct pronunciation of the one written at the bottom?
Le
Le
professeur.
professor.
Le professeur. Always keep this thing in your mind. While reading, pay attention and be careful about these things. So it is le professeur. Le professeur says bonjour. Then les élèves. What do the students reply? Bonjour, monsieur. Write it down. I'm going to make each and every student read out in the class. Okay, everyone will read this chapter. So I want all of you to write the pronunciation along with these French words. Bonjour, monsieur. What is monsieur?
Ma'am, monsieur is professor. No, mama man.
Mama man.
Monsieur is Mr. or Sir. Monsieur is used before names also. And if it is being used like this, we use it as Sir. So here it means Sir.
Okay, ma'am.
Bonjour, monsieur. What is the pronunciation? Everybody tell me.
Monsieur.
Monsieur. Good. Then the professor. Le professor says, vous avez le livre de français? Vous avez le livre de français?
Vous avez le livre de français.
Very nice. Vous avez le livre de français? What does that mean?
Ma'am, do you have book of French?
Ma'am,
Yes.
do you have book of French?
Do you have the book of French? Now, what is the word ave here? Underline it. The word coming right after vous. That's
Ma'am, may
ave.
I tell?
Yes, tell.
Ma'am, ave means have.
Very nice.
H-A-V-E.
Have. Okay. When we use have with vous, it becomes ave. What is the root word? What is the infinitive form of the verb have? What is to have verb in French? To have.
Ma'am, vous avez?
No. Ave is the conjugated form, beta. I'm asking the infinitive form of the verb have. What is the infinitive form? The infinitive form is when it is not conjugated. What is the infinitive form of the verb suis or to be? What is the verb to be in French? To be, we studied in the previous chapter. It is être verb, right? Être verb means
Yes, ma'am.
to be. So similarly here, if I ask you, what is to have verb in French? What is it? It is avoir. Avoir. Okay? On the next page, on page number 59 at the top, everybody look up. There is a pink table given.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? What is the verb? Avoir. Now, avoir is the infinitive form. Whenever we use the verb avoir, we have to conjugate this verb with each and every subject pronoun. Clear? And when the
Yes, ma'am.
conjugation is different with each subject, that means the verb is irregular. Or you can say in irregular verbs, the conjugation is different with each subject pronoun. It is always a new word that is formed when we conjugate it. There are only, in the whole French language, there are only 3 irregular verbs. This is the second one that we are studying. First, we have already done in the previous chapters, that is être verb. Être verb means to be, which tells I am, you are, she is, they are, we are. Okay? Remember, je suis, tu
Ma'am,
es.
so if we only speak avoir, then we'll combine the two words in that only word, to have.
Yes, avoir means to have. So whenever we frame sentences, we do not put any verb in its infinitive form. What do? We always conjugate the verb and put in sentences. Okay? Suppose
Yes, ma'am.
the verb is to eat. The verb is to eat. In English also, let's take the example of English language. So will I say, if I want to say that a girl is eating something or she eats something, लड़की कुछ खा रही है या खाती है, so will I place to eat in this way only? She to eat? Never. No, we are going to conjugate in English also. She eats, right? If I have to use to eat verb with I, what will it be? I eat.
Eat.
She eats. So what am I doing? This to eat verb is also being changed with all the subject pronouns in English. With I, it
Yes, ma'am.
becomes eat. With she, it becomes eats, right? With they again, it becomes eat. So this is also, what we are doing, we are conjugating the verb. Similarly, in French also, we have to conjugate the verb. Now, what is the difference? There are two groups of verbs, regular and irregular. Regular verb has got only 3 verbs. In the whole French language, there are only 3 irregular verbs. Which are they? Être, avoir, and one more that will come in the next class. Okay, so you need not worry about that. In this chapter, we are going to study avoir verb, which means to have. Got it?
Okay, ma'am.
Now, if I have to say, the professor here asks his students that you have the book of French. So what does have become with vous? Vous, you all know that it means you all, right? So underline it. Avoir verb becomes ave. Ave. Vous avez. When read together, when we read out both of them together, we read it out as vous avez. Okay, vous avez.
Okay, ma'am.
When we read out vous separately, what do we read it? Vous, V-O-U-S, vous. And together it becomes vous avez. Okay, the sentence is vous avez le livre de français. You have the book of French. What does the mean? De. De means of or from. You have the book of French. Everybody look up in the chat box. The word de
Ma'am,
means,
DE can mean any one of them, of or from.
yes, de is used in 2 ways. And what are the 2 ways? It can be used for of also, and it can be used for from also. Suppose in this sentence, you have the book of French, we will use de. Suppose I want to say I am from Paris. From Paris, again I'm going to use de. Je suis de Paris. I am from Paris. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then next, les élèves. What do the students reply when the professor asks, you have the book of French? The students reply,
Oui,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
may I tell in
Oui,
French?
monsieur. Nous avons le livre de français.
okay. Now, write down the correct.
Ma'am, may I tell
Ma'am, may I tell in
Beta,
English?
everyone will read. Everyone will get their turns to read. Okay, don't worry.
Ma'am, may
Right
I
now.
translate?
Can I tell
Yes,
the
Sarthak, tell the translation.
translation of this?
Yes, sir.
Ma'am, I said
We have the Book of France.
Of France.
French.
Of French.
French. Yes. Nous avons le livre de français. Write down the pronunciation. What is the pronunciation? Nous avons. Nous avons. Nous avons le livre
Nous avons le livre
de français. Nous
Can you
avons.
repeat?
Nous avons. Okay, the first two words I just missed. Oui, monsieur. It's not oui. You people say oui. It's not oui. It's oui. What is it? Oui.
we.
Not we. Not we. Oui. Oui. Okay?
Oui.
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 Oui, monsieur.
We.
Oui.
Oui, monsieur. Nous avons le livre de français. Nous avons le livre de français.
Nous avons le livre de français.
Very nice. Very good. Yes, sir, we have the book of French. Then Anish says, le professeur est grand. Le professeur est grand. The professor
look.
is tall.
It's tall.
Yes, very nice. Le professeur est grand. Then Manuel replies, oui, en plus, il est sympathique. Oui, en plus.
Oui,
And he is
plus.
Ma'am, may I tell the translation in English?
Sympathic.
Yes, tell.
Oui means yes. Moreover, he is kind.
Yes. Oui, en plus. Now what is en plus? En plus is moreover. Moreover, he is kind. Done
Okay,
till
ma'am.
here? Now,
Yes, ma'am.
one by one, you all have to read dialogue 1. Who is going to read first? Tell me.
Me.
Okay, Pranit,
No,
let's
I-
start from you.
Le professeur. Bonjour. Ma'am, dialogue one whole or only the first one?
The whole dialogue 1.
Okay, ma'am. Les élèves. Bonjour, monsieur. Le professeur. Vous avez le livre de français. Les élèves. Oui, oui, monsieur. Nous avons le livre de français. Anish. Le professeur est grand. Manu. Oui, up. Now, what do we say this?
En plus.
Up, Liu. A is sympathique.
Il est sympathique.
Okay, ma'am.
En plus, il est sympathique. Very nice, Pranit. Very well read. The only mistake you were making in oui. Okay, while reading, you were still saying oui. It's not oui, it's oui. Very good.
Now, may I?
Now,
No,
Kavya
can I
Kapoor.
read?
Kavya Kapoor.
Dialogue 1. ये professeur, bonjour. Les
Kavya,
élèves,
beta
bonjour,
again, les
monsieur.
professeur. Is it les professeur or le professeur?
Le professeur. Le
Yes.
professeur.
It's not sur. You don't put a lot of stress on sur. It's le professeur. Le professeur. Like that.
Le professeur.
Okay.
Les élèves, bonjour, monsieur. Les professeurs. Vous avez le livre de français? It means, do you have book of French? Les les élèves. Monsieur, nous avons le livre de français. Anish.
Nous
Les
avons.
professeurs.
Beta, it's nous avons.
Nous avons le livre de français. Anish. Les professeurs est grand. Manuel. Oui et plus
En plus.
il est sympathique. En plus il est sympathique.
Good. Okay. Next. Prakarsh.
La professeur. Bonjour. Les élèves. Bonjour, monsieur. Les professeurs. Vous avez
Again,
le
les
livre de
professeurs.
français?
Beta, is it les professeurs?
La professeur.
Yes, le professeur.
Vous avez le livre de français? Les élèves. Oui, monsieur, nous avons le livre de français. Anish. Le professeur est grand. Manuel. Oui, en plus, il est sympathique.
Very nice. Very good. Now, Nandita.
Le professeur. Bonjour. What is this?
Les élèves. Beta, write it
Les
down.
élèves.
Write it down in Hindi over there only.
Les élèves. Bonjour, monsieur. Le professeur. Vous avez les livres de français.
Nandita, that means you have not written even a single word for translation. Vous avez le livre de français. It's not français, it's français. Write it down. Vous avez le livre de français. Yes, continue.
Les élèves.
Les élèves.
Les élèves. Oui, monsieur, nous avons les livres de français. Anish. Le professeur est grand. Manuel. Oui. Oui. En
En plus. En plus.
en plus. En plus. En plus. Now what is written in the last?
Il est sympathique.
Sympathique. Il est sympathique.
Okay, next. Sarthak. You are left to read. Amisha, Midansh. Okay. Sarthak will read now.
Ma'am, may I read?
Yes, better read.
Dialogue one.
So can you tell
Le professeur.
Beta, we are on page number 57. We are reading out this chapter. Only dialogue 1.
Okay, ma'am. Dialogue 1. Le professeur. Bonjour. Les élèves. Bonjour, monsieur. Le professeur. Vous avez les
Beta,
Vous
vous
avez-
avez.
vous avez les livres de français.
Français.
Français. Les livres. Oui, oui, monsieur. Oui, nous लिखा था
Oui, monsieur, nous avons.
Nous avons les livres de français. Anish, les professeurs et grand. Manuel, oui. A plus il est sympathy. Ma'am, it is sympathy or sympathy?
It's sympathique. It is sympathique and oui, or you, il est
Il est
sympathique.
sympathy.
Okay. Now, Medansh.
Medansh is not connected to the audio.
Okay, Amesha, would you want to try?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have to read dialogue 2 or dialogue 1?
One.
Okay, ma'am. Les professeurs, bonjour. Les élèves,
Les
bonjour,
élèves.
monsieur.
Beta, les élèves.
Les élèves, bonjour, monsieur.
Monsieur. It's
professeurs.
called monsieur.
Bonjour, monsieur. Les professeurs, vous avez les livres de français.
Okay, beta, it's not le. When it's le, it's le. And when it's les, it's le. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Vous avez le livre de français.
Français.
Français. Oui, professeur, nous avons les livres de français. Le professeur est grand.
Okay. Le professeur est grand. Le professeur est grand.
Le professeur est grand. Oui,
En plus, il est sympathique.
En plus, il est sympathique.
All of us have read dialogue 1. Then coming on to the next one, dialogue 2. What does it say? It says, Manuel says, voila, Isabel. Now what is voila? Children, now please write down the pronunciation.
Ma'am, there is Isabel.
Yes, write down the pronunciation.
Isabel.
Translation is easy. Translation is easy for all of you now because you've been studying for such a long time. The only place where you people lag behind is the pronunciation, the reading part. That is why now I have started paying a lot of attention and focus to our reading part. You children really need to work on your reading, okay? Each and every word when I am going to read, you will write the pronunciation in English or in Hindi, so that when you read, you make no mistake. So what does Manuel say? Manuel says, voila.
And voila, Isabel.
Voila. Yes, voila. Voila, Isabel. Voila means there is or there are. He's talking about only one person. So here, voila means there is. Then Anish says, qui est ce? Qui est ce? Qui est ce? Qui est ce means who is she?
Ma'am, I always get confused between qu'est-ce que c'est and qui est ce.
Okay, for human beings, we always use qui est ce. Rest for everything else, we use qu'est-ce que c'est.
Qu'est-ce que c'est? Only for humans we use qui est ce.
Yes, only for humans we use qui est ce.
Ma'am, only human beings or every living object?
No, only human beings. For birds and animals, we use qu'est-ce que c'est.
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, then where were we? Okay, Anish says, qui est ce? Who is she? Manuel replies, c'est une amie de Caroline.
Ma'am, she is a friend of Caroline.
Yes, she is a friend of Caroline. C'est une, write it down. C'est une.
C'est une amie
Very good.
de Caroline.
C'est une amie de Caroline. Now children, one more thing.
C'est une amie de Caroline.
Yes, When we talk about army, what does army means? Army is a friend
Friend.
and it is what? Masculine gender. Masculine gender. And when I say army, see in the chat box, all of you, that is also a friend, but that's feminine. Everybody see in the chat box the difference between.
Only a difference of E.
Yes. When we place E, that means we are using for a
Feminine.
friend who
Feminine.
is a girl, for a female friend. Okay. And if also one more thing, I want to say a friend. A friend for masculine. What am I going to write? I'm going to write an army. UN army. Okay. And for a feminine friend, a friend would be un army. Got the difference?
Yes, ma'am. Got it.
Yes, ma'am.
An army, un army.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So manual says sit un army de Caroline. Sit un army. This is a
Army de
friend
Caroline.
of Caroline. Then Anish asks, Ella quel âge? Ella quel âge?
R.
Ma'am,
What a-
it means what is her age?
Very nice.
R.
It means what is her age? Ella quel âge? Then
L-A-D,
Ma'am,
Jean,
this Q
L-A, jolie.
L. Ma'am,
yes,
this QUEL means care and AGE means ash.
âge. Yes, very nice. Quel âge? Ella quel âge? What is her age? Then
Her age
Ma'am,
is 10
L-A-D,
and
Jo,
she is pretty.
Jo, L-A, jolie.
Ella disons.
L A Julie.
Ella disons. Ella disons. Elle est jolie.
L A Julie.
Elle a 10 ans. Elle est jolie. Okay, now who is going to read first?
Mami.
Ma'am, can I?
Okay, children, just wait. Before reading this out, reading this passage, one more thing important that you have to write in your copies is when we talk about age, age is not asked with être verb. It is not used with être verb. Like suppose I want to ask, what is your age? So we will not use être verb. Instead, what we are going to use? We are going to use avoir verb. No doubt in English, when we translate it like, what is your age? But still, we do not ask, quel est ton âge? We do not ask it, quel est? What do we ask? A. We use a for that. Suppose I want to say, I am 40 years. I will not use être verb. I will not say, je suis 40 ans. What am I going to say? J'ai 40 ans. I have 40 years. Clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So that is why here in this passage, when Anish asks about her age, he does not use être verb. He is using avoir verb. The single A that has been placed after L stands for has. Elle a quel âge? Okay. Then the answer also, the reply also comes, elle a 10 ans. Elle a 10 ans. She has 10 years. Like that. Clear? Clear to all of you, or there is any doubt?
Ma'am, clear.
Clear. Okay. Now who's going to read?
Mami.
Okay, let's
Mummy.
start with
Ma'am,
let's start with Prakarsh.
With me.
Manuel. Voilà Isabel. Anish. Qui est ça? Manuel. C'est une amie de Caroline. Anish. Elle a quel âge? Manuel. Elle a 10 ans.
Very
Elle a
nice.
est jolie.
L.A. Jolie. Very nice, beta. Good. Next.
Mummy.
May I?
Okay,
Mummy,
Pranit. All right. Pranit, Pranit, Pranit. Beta, everybody will read. Only 3 minutes are left. Don't waste your time.
Manuel. Voilà Isabelle. Anish. Qui est ce? Manuel. C'est une amie de Caroline. Anish. Elle a quel âge? Manuel. Manuel. Elle a 10 ans. Elle est jolie.
Very good. Very
Can
nice.
I?
Yes. Amesha.
Manuel, voilà Isabelle, Anish, qui est ça, Manuel, c'est un ami de Caroline.
Beta,
Caroline.
set tune. Set tune, Ami. Set tune, Ami.
C'est une amie de Caroline. Anish, elle a quel âge? Manuel, elle a 10 ans. Elle est jolie.
Very nice. Very good. L.A. Jolie. Then next, Sarthak.
Ma'am, can I?
After Sarthak, you will read.
Dialogue second. Manuel. Voila Isabelle. Anish. Quest. नहीं. Who is it?
Qui est ce? Qui
Manuel.
est ce?
Qui est ce? Manuel. Manuel. Son une amie de Caroline. Anish. Elle a quel âge? Elle a quel âge? Manuel. Elle a 10 ans. Elle est jolie.
Okay. Next, Kavya.
Voila is dialogue 2. Manuel. Voila Isabelle. Anish. Qui est ce? Manuel. C'est une amie de Caroline. Anish. Elle a quel âge? Manuel. Elle a 10 ans. Elle est jolie.
Elle a 10 ans. Elle est jolie. Very nice. Now, who is left? Nandita, you are left to read. Hurry up and read out and then.
Dialogue 2. Manuel.
Yes.
Voila. Dialogue 2. Manuel. Voila Isabelle. Anish. Qui est ce? Manuel. C'est une amie de Caroline. Anish. Elle a quel âge? Manuel. Elle a 10 ans. Elle est jolie.
Very nice. Very good. So, children, with this, we complete the reading of this chapter. Let's end the class here today. Now, next week, we shall meet with the other new things about this chapter. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Bye to all of
So
you.
in next class we will meet with
Bye, ma'am. Au revoir.
adjectives.
Au revoir.
Bye, ma'am.